This is a toolbox tour for my Snap-on KRL. Had it about a year now. Very happy with it. Bought it because from what I'm told it's the only one still made in America. And I wanted top quality, which probably got to last me the rest of my life. So bought this trolley, also off the Snap-on man. Makes life so much easier. Got all my spare nuts and bolts and bits and bobs in the bottom. Just leftover bits and bobs off old cars, always comes in handy. Got my little Ford Escorts there. 1/4 inch drive extensions, 1/2 inch drive and 3/8 extensions. Got 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive Snap-on battery guns, lithium ones. Usual socket sets at the back. Torque wrench, all Snap-on sockets. And my light. Got a nice old clock, a very good friend of mine gave me. Just my bits and bobs drawer, car keys. Very handy that you also get that with it. That you can write on and stuff like that when you're doing service sheets. My electrical drawer. Sort of odds and sods in there really. Apart from the multimeter, not much you can do with that for modern cars. But big spanners, oil filter stuff. Few air tools, battery drill. Spanner drawer. Ratchet spanners. These are very handy. Try and get a good shot of them. Extra long reach spanners. Good for doing auxiliary belts, timing belts, stuff like that. Odds and sods sort of spanners I've had for years, brake pipe spanners. Selection of bigger spanners, mole grips, adjustable spanners, set of swan neck spanners, set of Stilsons, screwdriver drawer. Sort of old lever bars. A lot of this is old stuff I've had for many years, but I don't like to get rid of it. It's still handy for lever and things. Got a fairly mint set Snap-on screwdrivers there I use for interiors and that, so it don't get dirty. And all the older stuff gets used for oily jobs, so don't dirty up people's interiors. Pliers. Set of Snap-on circlip pliers. Very handy, long reach signet pliers. This is also a tool I found saves a lot of time. Exhaust rubber pliers, very handy. So smashing your hands to pieces. Big long drawer, very deep big long drawer, handy. Oil filter caps, bearing driver set. Old drill bits, new set of co-bolts, bolt extractors, another cordless screwdriver, Snap-on compression gauge set, another big drawer underneath it, which is very handy. Very good toolbox this. All my T drives. All sorts of odds and sods here. Some people might remember this old tool for doing the CVH valve stem oil seals without removing the head. Not got a massive selection of hammers, but I do like the hammers, as most mechanics do. Another sort of odds and sods drawer. Empty one. Like I say, I've recently gone from a smaller box to this bigger box, so still got room to fill it up yet. Welding helmet, grinder, snap-on gloves, all stuff for welding, grinding and painting really. Got a DA sander in there, another one. All my chisels and punches and files and things like that. Another empty drawer, another empty drawer, another little DA sander, 3-inch one. Good bit set, radio keys, spring compressors. One I just bought, memory saver, when you're disconnecting people's batteries. Timing light, don't use that very often anymore. CV boot tool, very handy. Scriber name into all my tools. So that's at least got everything I pretty much need to do the job. Nowhere near as much as some mechanics, but I find I've got what I need. Sort of glove holder there, chargers, a few bits in there, grease gun, antifreeze tester in it. And you get on the left there, you can see a sticker, get from America when you buy the box, personalised with your name on it. And that's my snap-on care rail toolbox. Thank you.